Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create an account on Shopify. I wonder why you want to create an account on Shopify. It is because you want to start your small business or you want to sell some products online. So you want to create an account on Shopify so you could do all that on this app. Or maybe there's any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can create an account on Shopify. Also, I will try to leave written instruction in the description so you can check that as well. So first what you have to do is you have to make sure that you have already installed Shopify app from Google Play Store or App Store. Once you install it, now what you have to do is you just have to simply click on its icon to open the app, and then we will see how we can create an account on it. When it get open, it says that start selling online with Shopify. Then you have to click on this option which is get started, so that we could start our journey for creating our account on this app. And when you click on it, you will get to the further step. Now you have to select that if you're just starting your business or you have been selling products online. So you can choose any one of these options according to what you are doing. If you are new, then you have to select the first option, but if you are still selling any kind of online products, then you have to select the second option. After that, you have to tell them that how would you like to sell your products online, through website, through social media, a marketplace. And if you're not sure about, because you have just started, then you can select the last option, and it will ask you if you want to sell products through drop shipping. So you can select yes, no, and if you're not sure about it, then you can select the last option. After that, just click on this option, and then it will take you to the browser where it will ask you for your email address. You can use your company's email, you can use Apple email, you can use Google email, and you can use your Facebook account. So you can use any one of these options, whichever you prefers. You have to just simply tap on it, and then after that you have to enter your email address and it will verify. After that, it will ask you to enter your store name. So here you have to make sure that you enter the correct store name, because it will represent you. And once you enter it, it will take a while, and once that time completes, it will ask you that where is your business located. So now you have to enter your country, wherever your business is currently working in whichever country it is. You just have to simply click on it, or you can just search it. After that, you have to click on enter my store, and you will enter your store, and here you can see your account has been created on Shopify. Now you can sell products and can start your business on Shopify. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create an account on Shopify. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.